Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Matter for Punjab and Haryana High Court judgment, current judgment, A 400 words at the rate 100 word per minute. Be ready, start. Statement of the accused under section 313 CRPC was recorded wherein he claimed himself to be innocent and pleaded false implication. Full stop. Accused did not lead any evidence in defense. I have heard learned public prosecutor for the state and learned counsel for the accused and have perused the record including the evidence of the prosecution. It has been argued by the learned public prosecutor for the state that there was sufficient evidence on record to prove that the accused had committed murder of his father Sri Arjun Dev. The dead body of the victim was recovered from the house which was shared by the accused with the victim. The death was proved to be homicidal in nature. The accused had failed to explain the cause of death of his father, which was within his special knowledge as he was presumed to be present in his house at the crime time of incident. The post-mortem report coupled with the FSL report proved that the victim had been murdered by the causing head injuries to him. He further argued that the extrajudicial confession made by the accused before PW3 Meenu coupled with the evidence as to recovery of incriminating article wooden chaukhut used in the crime at the instance of the accused. The cause of death of the deceased as mentioned in the post-mortem examination report proved that the accused had committed the offense of murder. The defense plea as set up by the accused was proved to be false. The evidence as to suffering of disclosure statement by the accused leading to recovery of weapon of offense was convincing and sufficient enough to connect the accused with the subject crime. The chain of circumstantial evidence was complete and it unerringly pointed towards the guilt of the accused. Therefore, he argued that the prosecution had succeeded in proving its case and urged that the accused had become liable to be held guilty for the charge which had been framed against him and for conviction. Per contra, it was argued by learned defense counsel that the prosecution had miserably failed to bring home the guilt of the accused. No motive whatsoever had been attributed to the accused for killing his own father. No eyewitness to the incident had been joined. The prosecution has failed to produce any link evidence on record to connect the accused with the charge as framed against him. Hence, he argued that the prosecution had failed to establish the chain of circumstances which could pinpoint towards the guilt of the accused and urged that the prosecution had failed to prove its case beyond doubt. Hence, he argued that the accused had become entitled for acquittal. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपका सेशन कोड का जजमेंट है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए। ये बिल्कुल आपके 400 आई थिंक 400 से अबाव वर्ड है। आपको PDF आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा और इसको टाइप कीजिए आप।